Here I will give you a quick tour of our central ITS server. I can click on this plus symbol over here and then I can create dem messages. Let's say I want to create an accident or maybe roadworks. I can say this is going to be a major roadwork. It will be relevant for all traffic directions. It will be valid for, typically we do like 10 seconds and we tell it to repeat every time it expires. And I'll put this accident down here in this roundabout here. Then I can add some traces to alert vehicles en route to the accident. So I'll put a couple of traces here for people this would be relevant for. One here, I'll put one here. One down here. And maybe one more. So put one over here. Pull it all the way to the end. There. So there is my dem message. I click save. And now this one will be transmitted to all the vehicles in the area, and they can choose. If the vehicle finds it's on one of these paths, it can choose to alert the driver in the vehicle. And then I can show you how to create an IVI. You go to IVI and then you select the country. We put in Norway, Sweden, Finland so far, because sometimes the traffic signs are a little different in each country. Then you select the category, maybe regulatory, and then you select a pictogram. I'll try the stop sign here. We can optionally put in the date, but that's not a requirement. And I'll put the stop sign right in front of our office right here. And then I click save. The other type of message we have here is the service announcement message. And I can select which service announcement message I want. I have the option of travel time, which is like a stop clock for how long you take to travel from A to B, border crossing, or maybe a zone. If I choose zone, I'll just give it an hour here. If I choose zone, I can choose what kind of zone. We made a use case here with truck chain requirement, which is very common in Norway. So I'll go ahead and draw the geo zone here for the service announcement message. So I'll tell them that we have chain control in this area here. Oops. Here. So I'm done drawing the zone. Then I need to draw the service area. So this will be the service area. And then I need to draw the announcement area. I'll just let this huge default announcement area be used. So I click done. And then I confirm. And then it's sent down here to the Android. So you see Android here, and now I can choose to accept this. And then the chain control will take effect in this vehicle. And now the truck driver can see that he is getting close to enter a chain control area. And now he has this red symbol here that shows that he is in the chain control area. When he leaves the chain control area, he gets this yellow symbol, and this turns red again when he enters the chain control area. So I'll just go ahead and cancel this one here, terminate, and then there is no more chain control. Okay, I'm in the car here now, and I will demonstrate the wrong way driver. So I am in this vehicle here. It's onboard unit 22222, and I will create the RSU detector for this RSU number 9, and this is going to be a wrong way driver detector. So I just click on add, then I go over here and I draw a geozone like this, and if I click there, then I accept the default here, and then I have to indicate which direction is wrong way driver. So I put the arrow up here, and then I'll go and grab these little handles here. Just make it as wide as possible. There's no other option here for the car to drive. No other direction. And here I select my wrong way driver detector, and I accept all the defaults, and I just click save. So now I can go. There we have the wrong way driver message, both in the centralized test station and on the Android. So that worked well. Okay, I'm parked over here, so I'll just terminate this wrong way driver detector. Confirm. And then I'll show another nifty little feature. It's the this cam bar over here. Close this. So if I select my onboard unit or my vehicle here, you can see there's a blue trace behind me, and that's the last 40 GPS locations. And that will be tail will follow me along when I drive. So that's pretty cool. Here we have some more options. We can turn on the tiles, and that actually shows the quad tree mapping tiles that we are using, including the zoom level that you're at. So that's very convenient when we are creating topics in the MQTT broker. That's a bit technical. Then we have the possibility to use the map from the Norwegian Mapping Authority. They are much more detailed, but they also take a little longer to load. And then we have the then we have all the date text messages from the Norwegian Public Road Administration. So I can choose if I want to see them or not. And we have turned these into DEM messages. So here you can see this is a DEM message, but I cannot terminate it, of course, because its origin is the date text node at the Norwegian Public Road Administration. Other things here, we have an EMQX dashboard, so you can see the status of your MQTT connections. Whoops, that's the IP addresses. And then we have the Swagger. That's our API, where you can either read or put or post or get CITS messages. Yeah, and then I can show the cam analyzer. So if you go here, it will take you to Jupyter Notebook, and you just run this cell here, Control Enter. Then you select the onboard unit, the PCAP file from the onboard unit, and then the PCAP file from the roadside unit. And I'm going to run this one, Control Enter. And then we get the map here, showing where you lost packages and things like that. The red dot is where you lost the package, and the green dot is where the roadside unit received the package. So that's Aventi Intelligent Communications Central ITS server. Thank you for watching.